In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with RingCentral. Whether you're new to these platforms or looking to streamline your sales and communication processes, this guide will help set you up for success. Before we dive in, it's important to understand why integrating these two tools can be a game changer. Zoho CRM is a powerful customer relationship management platform, and RingCentral is a leading cloud-based communication system. By bringing them together, you can enhance your business communication, improve productivity, and ensure that no call, task, or opportunity slips through the cracks. First, let's navigate within Zoho CRM. Begin by accessing the Setup menu, which is neatly tucked away in the top right corner of your dashboard. From there, head over to the Channels section. This is where the magic happens when it comes to connecting different platforms with Zoho CRM. Within Channels, select Telephony. Here, a variety of options for integrating telephony services will be presented. Focus on RingCentral, which is our goal for today, and click on the Enable button. When you enable RingCentral, a prompt will appear asking you to log in to your RingCentral account. You can do this either by clicking on the phone icon or directly through the initial prompt that pops up. It's a seamless process designed to ensure your integration is as smooth as possible. So don't worry, it won't take much of your time. Once you're logged in, you need to decide on your preferred calling method. Zoho CRM offers flexibility here. You have several options. You can choose to make calls directly from your browser, utilize a soft phone, opt for Ring Out, or use the RingCentral desktop app. Choose whatever fits your business setup and personal preference the best. Now that RingCentral is integrated with your Zoho CRM, you can start reaping the benefits. One of the most notable features is the ability to click to call directly from your record pages. This allows for quick dialing, saving you time and minimizing errors. Additionally, incoming call pop-ups will display contact details, enabling you to prepare and personalize your interaction before answering. Furthermore, all calls, including those you might miss, are logged automatically within the CRM. This ensures that every interaction is recorded, so you don't have to worry about missing important follow-ups. Once your call ends, you can conveniently make notes, set follow-up tasks, and even access call analytics to assess your communication effectiveness. This integration not only optimizes how you connect with customers and leads, but also provides you with valuable insights and tools to enhance your sales process. So, take advantage of this powerful integration between Zoho CRM and RingCentral, and watch your business efficiency soar. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy networking and successful integrations to you all.